Hi, my name is John Hummel. I'm the Maintenance and Facilities Manager at Leatherman Tool Group, and today I'd like to walk you through the tools and features of the Curl multi-purpose tool. Curl is a great tool for somebody who's looking to carry a tool every day or somebody who needs a tool with the essential functions at a great price point. Curl is designed after Wave, which is one of our best sellers. It has 15 tools, it weighs 7.5 ounces, and it's 4 inches when it's closed. It's also a little bit thinner than Wave is. When you open the Curl, you have the regular and needle nose pliers and 2 wire cutters. The rounded handles make for a comfortable and confident grip. You can also use the ruler markings on the handle to make measurements on the fly. Inside each handle, you can find a few tools including spring action scissors, medium screwdriver, awl, a can opener, bottle opener, wire stripper, and a bit driver with double-ended bit. Each of these tools can snap into position and can be easily stowed into the handle after use. When you close the Curl, you'll have access to the diamond-coated and wood metal file. On the other side, you'll have access to the 420 HC knife blade. Each can be locked for use or easily stowed when not. The knife blade can be opened and closed with one hand and has an easy-to-use liner lock for locking and unlocking purposes. Curl also has a pocket clip that can be easily removed for a slimmer fit in your pocket. Curl also comes with a durable nylon sheath, and all of our tools are backed with a 25-year warranty. For more information about Curl or any of our multi-purpose products, visit Leatherman.com.